Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, today I'm going to teach you about some of the incredible superpowers of the VA loan. But first, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video, and if you need a home loan in Oregon or Washington or need help with one, hit me up because I would love to help you. Now, I had an earlier video where I said that like the feeling you get from VA loan is like an Old Testament God. It loves its children, it wants you to succeed, it has a great offer for you, but it has a lot of rules and no mercy. Now, you won't really feel the wrath side of the VA loan for the most part if you have a credit score over 620, and if you have good credit and you're willing to work the system available to you, you can actually be an amazing deal. So let's just go over the basics. If you are looking at a single family home as a veteran, the minimum credit score, there isn't one, but again, things get easy at 620. It's zero down. There is no monthly mortgage insurance. It has the highest allowance for debt to income, and it is not terribly hard to actually do a normal single family home with this program. Now, again, their rules are kind of strict and sometimes that comes up, but the costs you should look at are a normal VA home loan. I'm not talking about rates and points. Nice low interest rate for the most part, but the standard fees, depending on company, are $1,000 to $2,000 processing. And then from the VA home loan, the first time you use the loan, it's 2.3%. Now they roll into the loan, but that's a lot of money and you'll feel it when you sell the house later or you refinance later. Now, here's one of the coolest things that you can do if you're a veteran and a first-time home buyer. You could go buy a fourplex. That's right. You could do zero down fourplex with zero mortgage insurance. And if you're a disabled veteran, you don't even pay that 2.3. Now that is an insanely good deal and it will come with a very low interest rate. In fact, for a VA home loan fourplex, even in the Portland metro area, it is possible that you will do nothing or little out of pocket and just the rents of the 3 units you're not living in will pay the entirety of the mortgage payment up front, or at least be very close to that number. That is incredible. And over the years, it's going to be a huge positive gain for you as a real estate agent or as a buyer of that home. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't talk about a great program that's really only available in Oregon, as that is the ODVA. That is the Oregon Department of Veterans Affairs. And you need to look into that if you are a veteran who is buying a home in Oregon, or if you are a disabled veteran, especially look into this organization because they can get you hugely reduced property tax rates, which will be a massive impact on your monthly payment. But anyways, the ODVA is actually a conventional loan. So you need a 620, 640 credit score even to start playing the game. And you do have to put 5% down. But this program has the lowest fees of any program I'm aware of. Like I told you, the normal VA loan is $1,000 to $2,000 plus 2 1/3%. If you're not a disabled veteran, this one is $650 flat. That's right, you heard me. Instead of $2,000 plus a percentage, it's $650 flat. And it has very low interest rates. So you can see like right now, it's 2.875% interest with that super low fee. That's incredible. If you want a 20-year loan, it's even less. That's incredible. And if you want to pay points, it's a fee, not points. It's complicated. It's a definition thing. It can be even a lower rate. That math probably doesn't work out if you actually go into it. But anyways, ODVA is an incredible opportunity for a single family home. And the VA is an incredible opportunity for a single family home with nothing down, or even for something like a fourplex. And here's the really cool thing. You could, in 2 years, if you're a veteran who has a decent income and maybe a little bit of cash behind you, you could buy a fourplex year 1 VA, and you could buy a fourplex FHA year 2. So for very little money out of pocket, you could actually own 8 doors in 2 years. And that is something that's actually totally doable. Anyways, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm John Wolf, loan officer, Oregon and Washington. Please smash that like button and share, and I would love your comments. Ask me questions. Have an awesome day. Bye.